Hi there, this is Daniela for Elle Studio and we're doing this layout today. Well, I used the January kit and the paper stack and also some of these beautiful star chipboard stickers and of course these amazing heart of gold chipboard stickers. Okay, well, I started my layout with a circle I cut from the paper stack, and yeah, I will have some layers behind this circle. And as you can see, I have two pictures of my boy wearing a cat mask, and there is purple and pink in this mask because yeah, he stole it from my daughter. So these are rather girly colors, but I think I will use the same colors for my layout today because they are in the picture, and also boys can wear purple and pink, as you can see. So I placed some stripes cut from the paper stack, and now I will use these puffies, the puffy alpha stickers in black to create a title which yeah, will be The Incredible Cat Boy. And the title will be a circle as well. I will have the first part of the title here on the top of the circle, and I will use the rest of the title as a counterpart. So Cat Boy will be placed here on the upper circle. These black puffy alphas really make good titles, I think, and they fit each and every paper, so there are so many different occasions where you can use them. And yeah, I think that's something each and every scrapbooker needs to have in his or her stash. Okay, now I will use these smaller alphas to use to create the word the, so it is The Incredible Cat Boy. And now I will start to use all these beautiful embellishments. So first of all, some of these die cuts from the monthly kit, and yeah, the colors are perfect here. I will stick to black and white and purple again, maybe some gray, so that we have exactly the same colors as in the pictures and as in the papers. I like to have lots of embellishments on my pages, so yeah, I will use lots of stickers today, and yeah, I will also try to have some clusters here. It's always nice to have a little eye catcher on the top of the page, so I use some of the pennants here and the die cut Love You, and now I will also have these XO stickers there later. And then we have a cluster that really catches the eye and yeah, is a bit interesting when you look at the page. Okay, so as you can see, the cluster also has a piece of this paper I used for the background of my pictures. So everything is in the same colors, and yeah, I think it fits together quite well. I most of the time use these glue pads because you can rearrange your elements later if you feel that you need something else, or if you want to try different versions, and nothing is damaged when you loosen these glue pads. So I think they are quite usable, and yeah. Okay, now I will take some more of these stickers, and I have to decide whether to use golden elements as well, but I think in this case black is enough. Then I also used one of these turquoise hearts. They also match the colors, and then this one little pink heart. I think it's beautiful there. The thick chipboard stickers are really a nice thing to have, because you can add more dimension to your layouts, and that is something I really like on my pages. And of course the mix of different textures and materials. So chipboard stickers are always very, very nice, and the chipboards we have in the January add-ons are so amazing, because we have first of all these stars in all the colors that are contained in the kit, and then we have the phrases like the XO I used and the hearts. So you have so many different possibilities, and all the different words you need for perfect, sweet layouts. So as you can see, I also add stars, lots of stars, so there is lots of different areas where you can find something going on this page. And I will also add some splatters of color later, so that we have a messy touch on the page. I think that's nice, and these black splatters fit the black alpha stickers I used here, and also some of the black hearts and die cuts. Okay, so I also need to add a date later, which might be stamped on this little die cut tag on the right hand side. Now some more fixing here, because mostly I first of all only place my my embellishments and try different versions, but now I feel that they will stay this way, so I start fixing everything, and yeah, that's almost the finishing touch. I do a bit doodling here. I like these frames. Often I use paper frames, but this time I simply use my pen and draw some lines. It's lazy stitching, you could call it. And yeah, it gives some more detail here, and I always like frames on my pages, and this is a very easy way to do this. Okay, so check out the shop. The stuff is still available. Thanks for watching. Bye.